exclusively at Heartland Foods this month. Place your reorder and get a Leidys honey spiral ham absolutely free. Welcome back, Heartland family. This month's reorder special is just in time for your spring festivities and events. Everyone's favorite, slow roasted, tender and juicy, glazed to perfection, Leidys spiral honey glazed ham. Leidys honey ham is sure to wow the entire family for any occasion with its delicious flavor and superior quality. Leidys is located only 150 miles from our Baltimore headquarters. We've carried Leidys products for the past 15 years, and we're proud to announce their uncompromising standards since 1893. From the quality of hogs they breed to the traditional processing methods. Their hogs are family farmed, raised in a stress-free environment, and given the highest quality feed. That's why Leidys pork is naturally tender and juicy. Comment below and let us know your family's springtime feast traditions. And remember, stay healthy with Heartland.